Much of our understanding of ecology and evolution comes from islands. Just think of Darwin. So larger islands have more species, more distant islands have fewer species. And this can be explained by species being less likely to go extinct on large islands, species less likely to colonize the more distant island. And then this balance between colonization and extinction produces the equilibrium community, the equilibrium number of species surviving on each island. This theory is based on theoretical studies and field observations. But then in 1969, Dan Simbaloff and Ed Wilson did a classic experiment. They took a mangrove island, rather like this one here, and they fumigated it and killed off all the arthropods. And then they watched to see what happened. And after 250 days, the community had basically returned, except on the more distant island where colonization was slower. So the number of species were about the same as they were before. So the theory is supported. But one of the interesting observations is that the actual species composition differed considerably. So it seems that colonization is taking place and competition and predation is affecting the nature of the community, but the exact players can change according to different islands and chance. They also showed that the turnover on these islands was considerable, about 2/3 of a species per day on each island. So every 3 days, 2 species are replaced. So the lessons seem to be that can be stability at a community level, but dynamism at a species level. And this probably applies to any habitat patch and not just a mangrove island.